Hello everyone, this report is regarding a tragic incident in southeastern China. Heavy rainfall resulted in the collapse of nearly 60-foot section of an expressway near Meizhou city. This resulted in loss of 24 lives and injuring 30 during a busy national holiday period. This scene was devastating, with vehicles catching fire in the process. Currently, over 500 rescuers are actively engaged in assisting at the site. This region has been experiencing severe weather due to humid air from the South China Sea. Just days ago, Guangdong was struck by rare tornado and hailstorm, which also caused loss of lives and widespread damage. Thank you for watching and stay tuned with Inside Hub for latest news updates.